Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how to use Google TV on Android phone. So let's get started. First of all, make sure that you have Google TV installed on your Android phone, and after that you can open the application. Then there will be a bunch of movie and TV shows that we can watch on this Google TV, and we just need to slide our screen like this to find the movie or the TV show that we want to watch. And if the movie or the TV show that we want to watch is not in this list, we can search for it by clicking on the search button. Then you can type for the title of the movie or TV show. Okay, and as you can see guys, if you want to watch the movie, we have to purchase for the movie or the TV show. We cannot get it for free guys, so we have to buy it first. Okay, and after you have decided the movie that you want to watch, for example, I'm going to watch this movie. You just need to tap on the movie, and then you can click on this buy from option. And if you want to add this movie to your watch list, you just need to click on watch list right here. And if you want to connect this Google TV application with your TV, you can click on connect TV right here, and you can connect the application with the TV using Wi-Fi or Bluetooth. Alright guys, and that's how we can use Google TV on Android phone. I hope this tutorial will be helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you on the next video.